From the dawn of humanity, we have always looked to the skies with a mixture of awe and trepidation. The forces of nature, while awe-inspiring, can also be incredibly destructive. Earthquakes, floods, hurricanes, these natural disasters have the power to reshape landscapes and devastate communities. The ability to predict these events, even with a few hours' notice, can mean the difference between life and death. Predicting disasters has always been a challenge, relying on historical data, weather patterns, and a fair bit of educated guesswork. But the stakes are too high to rely on guesswork alone. The need for accurate and timely disaster prediction has never been greater, and thankfully, a new era of forecasting is upon us. The future of disaster prediction is being shaped by the very technology that is revolutionizing our world: artificial intelligence. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify complex patterns, is emerging as a powerful tool in our fight against natural disasters. Imagine a world where we can predict earthquakes days or even weeks in advance, giving us time to evacuate vulnerable populations and prepare for the aftershocks. Imagine knowing the exact path of a hurricane, allowing us to position resources and warn those in its path. This is the promise of AI in disaster prediction, a future where we are no longer caught off guard by the fury of nature. AI systems are not replacing human experts, but augmenting their capabilities. By analyzing massive datasets that would overwhelm human analysts, AI can identify subtle patterns and correlations that might otherwise go unnoticed. This allows us to make predictions with greater accuracy and lead time, giving us a fighting chance against the unpredictable. The key to AI's predictive power lies in its ability to learn from experience. By analyzing historical data on past disasters, AI algorithms can identify the telltale signs that often precede these events. This allows them to make increasingly accurate predictions about future occurrences, giving us a vital head start in disaster preparedness and response. At the heart of AI's predictive power lies the ability to process and analyze massive amounts of data. This data can come from a variety of sources: satellite imagery, weather stations, seismic sensors, social media feeds, and more. Each piece of data, on its own, might seem insignificant, but when analyzed collectively by AI algorithms, they paint a comprehensive picture of emerging threats. For instance, AI can analyze changes in weather patterns, ocean temperatures, and atmospheric pressure to predict the formation and path of hurricanes. Similarly, AI can detect subtle shifts in the Earth's crust, analyze seismic data, and even monitor animal behavior to forecast earthquakes. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to connect the dots. It can identify correlations that humans might miss, revealing hidden patterns that foreshadow impending disasters. This allows us to move beyond reactive disaster response to a more proactive approach, where we can anticipate and mitigate risks before they escalate into full-blown catastrophes. AI's applications in disaster prediction are as diverse as the disasters themselves. From predicting the trajectory of wildfires to forecasting floods caused by melting glaciers, AI is proving to be an invaluable tool in our arsenal against nature's wrath. Let's take a closer look at how AI is being used to predict some of the most common and devastating natural disasters. Earthquakes, often striking without warning, have long been a source of fear and uncertainty. But AI is changing that. By analyzing seismic data, ground deformation patterns, and even minute changes in groundwater levels, AI algorithms can now predict earthquakes with increasing accuracy, giving us precious time to prepare. Floods, another common and destructive natural disaster, are also being tackled with the help of AI. By analyzing rainfall data, monitoring river levels, and simulating flood scenarios, AI can predict flood zones with remarkable precision. This allows authorities to issue timely evacuation orders and position resources effectively, minimizing the impact on human life and property.